How to create an online store with Shopify. Have you ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit? This video will show you how to create an online store with Shopify, a powerful platform that makes e-commerce accessible to everyone. While some management can be done on mobile, we'll focus on PC for a smooth setup experience. Shopify empowers anyone to create a professional, fully functional online store, even with no prior coding experience, because it's built on design. Let's get started. Head to Shopify website, open your web browser and visit shopify.com, and you can start your free trial today. So click on the start free trial button and follow the sign up process. Shopify offers various subscription plans with different features and pricing tiers. You can explore these later. For now, focus on setting up your store during the free trial. Theme selection. Shopify offers a vast selection of free and paid themes. Choose a theme that reflects your brand and products. You can customize fonts, colors, and layouts to personalize your store. For theme customization, which is optional, while some themes are easy to use and drag and drop functionality, some require basic coding knowledge for advanced customization. Shopify also offers paid theme customization services if needed. Now, for the product section, this is where the magic happens. From the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the product section, click Add Product and enter product details like title, subscription, images, and pricing. You can also manage inventory levels and variants for different sizes and colors. You can use high-quality product photos to showcase your offerings in the best light. For payment gateways and shipping rates, Shopify integrates with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, allowing customers to securely pay for their purchases, or you can just use the cash on delivery option. You have to build a custom domain and hit publish when you're done with your website. So take the leap and start your Shopify journey today. Remember to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.